Ferrari, for one, must have heaved a sigh of relief, and Porsche must be ecstatic. That's because the European Union formally agreed to allow new ICE cars to be sold after 2035 as long as they run on e-fuels. Those are carbon-neutral liquid fuels that can be used in ICE engines. But here's the thing. Unless there's a sensor on board that can detect fuels with carbon in them, who's going to stop owners from using ordinary gasoline? And even if the EU mandates those kinds of sensors, e-fuels are going to be out of reach for ordinary consumers. For one thing, we're only aware of one pilot refinery plant that Porsche is building in Chile. For another, powertrain experts tell Autoline that e-fuels require 3 times the energy to make compared to gasoline. And they project that a gallon of e-fuel will cost 3 times as much as a gallon of gasoline in 2030. So the bottom line is, e-fuels are for the rich. Don't count on them to save the ICE engine for everyone else. But what if you came out with an ICE engine that could run on any fuel? What if it could run on gasoline or diesel or hydrogen, natural gas, propane, ammonia, or just about anything that burns? That's what the company Hyliion got its hands on. It acquired the technology from GE Additive, which is the unit of GE that makes 3D printing machines. And yes, this engine is 3D printed. Hyliion is going to use it as a range extender in electric Class 8 semis. They call it Karno, and they say it's 20% more efficient than any other generator and could even be more efficient than a fuel cell. Here are some of the technical terms they use to describe it. It's a linear generator that develops heat to move a piston that generates electricity, but it does not burn the fuel with a flame like ICE engines do. It uses what they call flameless oxidation. So it's clean. That's about as much as Hyliion is saying about it for now, but we hope to get the company's CEO on Autoline After Hours later this year.